I no come for degrade nobody, me only come for speak my truth. When you hear name like SIZZLA Junior read, you know say a turban. And the turban is a signal, you understand? If you don't mind chat, don't be surprised if you see the man dash with the award, because I say Tina, you never hear the word said there's a time and place, everything come here. The fact we make me I go tell you about the dress like that, me nah go make you can't pass me with the dress. I don't care who wants it. Me nah let you go. Me can't bypass you with that dress here. No, me can't cut me eye pass it. I cannot cut me eye and pass the dress. Tina, come here. Come right here. Tina, the man should have take the award and box you with it. I don't support woman abuse. But in that case, me said SIZZLA should have take the sitting and give you one backside back with it. Tina, you mean for tell me say you always criticize people. Me see at the award show. You always criticize, and you is the biggest fashion police out here. And you mean for tell me say Tina, not even then Tina, what that at something, cause if I something for all in your belly you need to get a new one, it's stretch out. Then you just fling on the frock the Tina. When you buy the frock the Tina, you don't buy the frock Tina, the frock there from your teeth. You sure know your prawn dress that? Because Tina, me not tell a lie. Tina, come here. Tina, come here, Tina. No, Tina, the woman for keep back one show there for correct. Can't tell the man, tell SIZZLA for care about the award. Go and get address. Tina, you really put on that. Tina, where you did have on? Tina, where you did have on? Tina, where you did have on? Okay. Tina, where you did have on? What did you have on? You really take that? You really take that, Tina, and wear that and go give a man in a with a turban wrap around his head, a man like you are gonna make them laugh off of the man. You are gonna make Tina, what kind of hooker Tina? What Tina? You look like a $2 whore. Tina, you ever hear them say if it walk like a duck and it quack like a duck, it is a duck? Tina, you were dressed like a hooker, and it's not the first you do it. I remember after you take curly $450, come here, you put on one hooker dress and go deliver the cake with your ear says that. Tina, why you do that? Tina, look how you out here body shame and I talk about people garment. And Tina, look for your dress. Tina, I am so disappointed in you. Tina, you're actually naked for look. Tina, you don't know your age. You are 48, not 18. Why would you put on a dress like that for go give a turban? It's not even a dress. Then titty there. Tina, you know say your titty them not on right. You know say your titty them not on right. One of your titty them are upper case and one a lower case. My mind tell me say you have some because I have one. You see there's something for all in your body. For all in our body, but it's stretched out. White tights and a black dress. Me never see this yet. Then the white tights look like a one piece of dirty white tie, but my mind tell me say I sitting for all it. Wanna call in the belt. I'm gonna get the Rasta man, the righteous Rasta man. The man is a turban man, Tina. It look like, you know, see her belly look like it a puff out. It look like it stretch out. Yeah, it look like it stretch out. Waist trainer. Me I wonder if I the waist trainer she have on and it stretch out. Why would Tina put on that? No, Tina, what you gonna do for make up that? What you gonna do? Tina, why would you leave your house like that? Tina, you know say, tell us something. It better you did call Chris and just say to Chris on the phone, say, hey, hear me now, King. He'll hear me out. Lend me two of them drag dress there. You better you did call Chris and Barron what two in drag dress them. Better you did do that. And that's why you should have come by your line and beg. But you could have borrow two dress from Chris, because Chris never got to tell nobody, because I wouldn't want nobody knows and talk to you. And when Chris said you just put one at it, because you're no fatter than him and him no fatter than you say Chris dress could have fit you. Better you did do that. What a big disgrace for social media. Me not mix him up, but guess what now? She could have called him and borrow to a film dress because him would have, you know, should have look good and him have some nice thing. Who else because I go borrow from? Can't send her a better. Me don't know which part to send her for go. Don't mix up. I don't mix up. It better she had reached out to Adoki. It better she did reach out to Chris. Cause listen to me. Me not tell her she don't even have to apologize. Say here one now. Here one. Chris. She declared to say then better she did borrow for your jacket and put over the dress. She love clasp. Hey, these are the worst of the worst of the worst. Me never see nothing look. Me say, these are the worst of the worst. Me see on social media. Look on the woman, not even you can't see the dress small. Tina, I must Tina prom dress that. I must in a prom dress that way. But the prom is something when she have that dress when she has 16-year-old and she have it long time in the closet. I must in a dress that. From she at 18. Tina could have never put up buy that dress. Tina not pay for that dress. Tina, who you buy that dress from? If you buy that dress recently, if you got the award. Any or you buy come to me, I go back for your money. Tina, you're not pay for that all the same. A lot of time when you buy things online and it can't fit, you know. When you buy things online, if you buy it a little bit bigger. And if you know the mark of the name, the brand of the dress of the cat, even jeans. evil genes, whether you want to believe it or not. I have genes we are 17, 18. I have genes we are 23, 24. The same different brand. I have jeans we are size 17, 18. I have jeans we are 19, 20. Whether you want to believe it or not. That's why I don't make nobody. I make them buy dress, straight dress or leggings to me. Plus I have jeans we are 21, 22. Sheen, Justice come here, Sheen. But Tina cannot buy dress and Sheen when she do her breast because it's not a stretch dress. It's not a stretch dress, so Tina should know she got five problem with her breasts. No man, a justice man. No sir. Well, if Sheen really sent Tina that dress, the people know say no buy nothing upon Sheen because guess what? She because me not tell a lie. This your dress here, Tina. No. Tina is a wicked woman. If you buy that from the thrift store, should I put it on? Don't tell a lie on thrift. Don't you do it. Don't you dare. Wanna not tell a lie because a lot of time people are going and knife things, sell a thrift shop, I wanna call it, with the the second hand store. So therefore, she don't buy that unless she force her body because you go try it on. No care how you go have on your clothes and you don't know say it can't fit you. Because you don't put one of the cuff them by your breast. Me say you can't see, so the man must say, what kind of all of this? The man for sue the woman will keep the award. For him plane ticket and him hotel fare and him something if I know she. That a disrespect. You can't get all that server man a big man like SIZZLA. The man have him brand. On outer order. The man respect him turban right now. To make the man turban feel like a doormat. I idiot thing that. A idiot thing that, Tina. People, let me go to my two look sent about Lieutenant Stitchy. And I know only Stitchy alone. I was telling somebody this morning, say over here, let me tell you something. The Jamaican government over here, and people always say I know people business. But once it becomes the public where something man need help, or somebody, everybody business. Once it's in the news, it's everybody business. What I feel like what them say I must be for entertainment also. Try, because most of these entertainers they live overseas, try to put them in insurance. Try to do something to manage that if in case them fall. I know Stitch here that if in case them fall on hard times. And so what we have seen from Gregory Isaac this year one year, a lot of people come down with the last one the name. I name them Merciless. We have seen it. So when a blogger come out and talk about it, doesn't mean that you are degrading people or not. We have to see that problem. It's like you as a mother that knows that you go through hard life, you're a teenage mother. You don't want that for your child. You try for your child, go to school, get a work, don't get pregnant, don't get anybody pregnant, and try if you want the best for your pitney. You never got college, you never got high school. So that's when a blogger will talk about. They need to have management because they say, guess what? Them cannot work so much money, and at the end of the day, them come with a pan or them come and a domestic worker, because at the end of the day when everybody a beg, nobody went and them a beg, even me, nobody went and them a beg something or them a ask something to be more. Nobody now say, alright then, the people them work in a bank and the nurse, you want that worse when it's your health. Worse when it is your health. You don't care about that domestic worker. You don't care about that hotel worker. You don't care about the minimum wage worker. You don't care about the somebody where I fear walk up and down in the sun and the rain for sell at the money you need. So you're not going to come out and say, oh, Joseph Matalan. No. So therefore, that's why people have to talk. And then that's why people have to talk. So you must listen with understanding. Don't think so because somebody come and somebody attack people or drag down people. All the while, you do it. You must listen and understand. Nobody now bash Lieutenant Stitchy. We only asking for a solution. We are only asking for a solution. And only calling out to don't make this problem. It has been happening too much time and it's only in Jamaica. I remember the man, Mr. Ayubi, say all who used to watch African show. Remember, Mr. Ayubi is an actor and and after him acting a lot of show. But when Mr. Ayubi was sick, there was African bloggers and everybody was asking about the money, and even because he was sick a long time, and people questioned it, and they too, the Africans were crying out. They were wondering if a Mercy Johnson people will ask. And all we are asking for whatsoever they are doing. It's like Vibes Cartel. I think it was 4 million Jamaican. I was talking to somebody and I said 4 million Jamaican have a good, and the person said, which 4 million Jamaican, 4 million US? None if it's, we know him have a little health issue. If after 2 years we see him have making vibes rum, I think one time they say he had condom. If after 2 years now, 5 years, we see cartel out here, we're going to question it. We are going to question it. We're going to say, but wait, we are going to question it, not that we're not going to give, but we're going to question it. So not that we're going to give. People, make it straight. Let me say this thing there. It's not about the dress not looking good. That dress was not for that occasion, and that dress was not Tina size. That dress was not Tina size. That's all I am saying. It was not Tina size, and she was the one. When you have on, let me tell you, no wonder she have to hear the ear low. Ladies, when you have on a dress for an event, you're not supposed to have nothing down on your shoulder to bother. Another thing, when you have on a dress like that, you need something around your neck. You need something around your neck. If a lot Tina up, that's why I'm telling you, anybody can talk. You see that curly there? You see that curly there? As much as they say one yai, all myself, you say one yai, kaka yai, so when it touch fishy taste, when she says she a dress, she the dress, give her that. When Curly say I go dress up, address Curly, address. Nobody be the big gut with the fine foot when she's put her, when she says she, I mean, I talk like when Curly say I draw on something. When you hear sister Curly say she a dress, when Curly come out, Curly dress. She know about that. She might have a low self-esteem. She might not know behavior, but with fair dressing taste, very high. Very high. And that how me I go give her, whether she like me, whether me like her, me I go speak my truth. So it's not about the dress. The dress was not fit for that occasion, and the dress was not Tina's size. And that's why nobody give it to her. You should have called Curly, young Curly. You should have called Curly. You should anytime you should have called Curly and make Curly help you dress. You should have called Curly. If you don't want, you should have called Curly. Cause me know Curly would have put you out there. Cause me no think say she would have bad mind if you call her and say Curly come help me dress. Curly me I go that event the Curly. Cause you hear Curly tell us say don't use no cheap ingredients in the cake them for Canada. So that for sure you say Curly would have make you buy. Maybe should have bust your pocket, yes. Maybe Curly that make you spend. Maybe Curly that make when you're done buy the dress. You not have no transportation, but that I want to. Your people them would have give you. Curly would have make sure so you look better than that guy that's sitting. That's one thing with Curly. I don't care when nobody wants to say. She not me say as much as they saying we saying kakaya, we saying blind, we saying I not TSC man. When it touch fi dress my boy. That way I don't know if I ban in her like her nasty behavior or the lady, but she said the lady did cheap, or her mother teach her, but she can dress. She can dress. But too bad. Nobody not have nothing upon Curly with that. Nobody. But Curly want event like that. Curly that look good. Cause when Curly gam gala, she did look good. On her boat ride, she did look good. When the gala, the red dress, I would have wear it. She did look good and she did have. You know see Curly, when Curly realized the wig. Cause Curly no idiot to know when Curly realized the wig, you know see Curly draft that backside. You do not need with a fancy dress. Your ear can simple Tina, your ear should have catch up and you need a necklace and you need a better fitting dress. You need then another thing with your Tina. Either you gonna make up your mind and go in at them hospital and make them take out them silicone, them in the know what you have in you, make them take them out. Cause the other day me see a Jamaica when you turn back way, your bottom get disabled, your breast retarded. You need to go and fix your body. You need to go and fix your body. From a sister to another sister don't like you, but me I tell you the truth. Anybody will cheer you on and say you look good, them is lying you. Them I tell you lie. Me not tell you no lie, sister. I not tell you no lie. And I know wait for because me no like you. Tina, of course I don't like you, but not because I don't like you. I'm not going to tell you the truth. Go take them out. Cause I don't think no doctor go and correct you because you look like your body. Based on how me I see, and when me mind you cannot correct it. Just take them out and go back to normal. Because Tina, it no look good. Tina, you no do your body all, you no do your body 5 years yet, and your body tan so. Oh, you they go manage. Tina, you no look good. And then you're out here and your body shade people and big back and broad back and something. Then Tina, you're on them. You look pal, you're two on them. Then the and the you may should have met my friend where we were on belt over Canada. So if you try, if you can't try get them like because of that, then the and the Tina, tell me something. How your hand them look so? Your hand them look like the hand them have two those hands of a here the 4-year old woman. Tina, oh your hand them can you can't get to feel Tina filter the hand them, you hear my friend? If you can filter the hand them, filter them backside. Even some our own commenters them say the dress was a no. Fi go give a man an award with a turban. No man. No bloggers who no need to talk about this dress. Make Tina throw away the dress. Tina, put up Tina. Give Shana the dress. Cause the dress look like it will fit Shana. Give Shana the dress. Give your daughter that dress. Give away the dress. Do not do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. Any of people, may I go run and come back. Bless up on yourself, cause may I come back about the dress. I am coming back about the dress. May I go back, go inspect the dress. May I go back. Tina, when me done with the dress, may I go pull up the dress and sew back the dress. I am going to inspect the dress. Me soon come. No, you're not get away. You're not getting away. You're not getting away with that dress. You're too out of order. Why you gonna get the Rasta man? Me and your backside out here. Me and you are going to teach you a lesson. You're too enough. Why you gonna get the Rasta man the dress in that? You think a hookah party? Me and you, me I go inspect it, me I go pull up the dress, me I go inspect that dress. There's something wrong here. Me I go inspect the dress. I soon come.